All right, picture this. You're at a shop with your girls and there's a QR code on the counter that says scan here for a discount. You're all thinking the same thing. Why not save a little? I'm awesome. I deserve it. But here's the catch. Someone subtly modified the official QR code to include their own commands. So instead of just getting the discount, the code triggers extra actions on your device without you realizing it. In a split second, your phone might download malware, giving some scumbag access to your sensitive data, like your contacts, messages, access to your camera, microphone, even your location. QR stands for quick response, and it's basically a type of barcode that can hold a lot more information than those old school barcodes you see on your groceries. When you scan a QR code with your smartphone, it quickly decodes the information hidden in the pattern. But here's the thing. Once you scan a QR code, your phone automatically performs whatever action that code was designed for, whether it's opening a website, downloading an app, or sending a payment. It's a sneaky way to bypass your phone's security because you willingly scanned the code and initiated the action, unknowingly opening the door for them. The scariest part is everything looks normal. You get taken to the shop's website, you see the discount, but in the background, something more dangerous is happening. You have no idea what that pattern of squares actually contains, but someone who knows what they're doing can use it against you in a heartbeat. Yeah, but how? Well, since anyone can simply search make a QR code online and create their own, a scumbag looking to take shortcuts in life could customize a line of code, print out a bunch of stickers that had that malicious QR code on them, and then stick them everywhere. Products, posters, even at your favorite breakfast spot. Maybe it's just some underpaid guy that works at the print shop that made the posters or labels. Imagine taking a selfie together and on a poster in the background is one of these QR codes. You may be smiling for the camera now, but that scumbag's going to be smiling later while he's watching you get ready for bed through your phone's camera, stealing your banking information, and looking up your address on Google Maps. The moral of the story? Don't use QR codes. Ever. Period. No exception.